Today we'll be putting together the fuselage. We got to do a couple things first. Got to make a new gusset for the front because it's not quite right, and then we'll be putting them together. And today I'll be getting helped out by Mike, so it's going to be pretty good. All right, first things first, these are our gussets right now, and as you can see, they're a little offline. So we're going to recut these, make new ones that'll go up like this. It'll be nice and pretty. Kinked it. That's a do-over. Alright, so let's look at what we've done today. Here's the big tubes, and I put the gussets down, just laid them on top. All these great big tubes are done all the way up to the front, and you can start to see, and from here on, this is where the little tubes come in, the little 1/2 inch tubes. And so I'm looking forward to doing that, and we'll start putting in some rivets. It's going to be pretty neat. Things starting to shape up, isn't it? So bye.